going to show you how to replace your diverter button on your shower mixer. First, you're going to remove a little cover plate that sits underneath the handle. You use a 2.5mm Allen key to loosen grub screw. Remove handle. Then pull off cover plate, which will expose the diverter button. Using a 22mm tube socket, feed it over through and slowly undo your diverter button. This removes your diverter button. Replace your replacement new diverter button, insert and screw in by hand. Then tighten with your 22 tube spanner. Insert cover plate. Now we're going to put back the handle. Tighten with the 2.5mm Allen key. And then replace cover plate.